Welcome back to the CSG Engineering Society YouTube CAD video series. We are now going to model a heating cylinder that is part of a Stirling engine. Okay, so we have a model right here. I'm going to hide the sketch over here. You'll notice at the bottom right we have our sketch, the engineering drawing for it. And now I'm going to show you a quick overview of these steps. So we're going to give it a sketch first, then we're going to revolve the sketch, we're going to then apply a hole, then we're going to give it a linear pattern. So once that hole appears, we're going to then say that, hey, it should appear in multiple locations. And then we're going to apply an edge blend right there. Okay. Make a new file, give it a name, and save it correctly as well. Once you've done that, start your sketch on the front plane. Now, we will use the profile tool because there's going to be a lot of straight lines, okay? Starting from here, on the vertical line, go horizontal, go vertical, click onto the horizontal line. So make sure that actually snaps onto the horizontal line. There we go. Go horizontal, go vertical, go horizontal, vertical, and line up. You see how this edge over here lines up here? Go up to here. So add that relationship right there. Okay. Then go up here. Then go across horizontally here, and then complete the sketch like so. Okay. Now we're going to dimension the sketch now. The distance between this line and this line is going to be half of 25, so 12.5. The distance between this line and this line is going to be half of 15, so 7.5. And then the distance between this line and this line is going to be half of 13. So 6.5. Okay, that should be it for the horizontal dimensions. Yeah, and so for the vertical dimensions now, so the distance between this line and the horizontal line is going to be 1 mil. The distance between this line and the horizontal is going to be 6 mil. And the distance between the top surface with the horizontal is going to be 23 mil. And one last dimension, the distance between this line and this line is going to be 1 mil as well. There we go. Everything's black. Everything's black, so it's all fully defined. Finish sketch and revolve. If you need to specify a point, specify that it is the point along this axis. Okay, so I'm going to select this point right here to get that. Press OK. Now we need to create a hole. So hole, and the kind of hole that we need to make is a clearance hole. So for threaded holes, you go into the threaded section. For any kind of simple hole or clearance hole that have no threads, you're going to go to the simple section. And then the hole size, you're going to specify that it's a clearance hole, screw clearance hole. Now over here, you're going to specify that it's a 2.5 hole. And you're going to mention that the fit size is a normal H13. Okay. So now let's get rid of the chamfers over here. So there. In real life, you probably will apply a chamfer, but for the sake of our model, we're not going to apply it here. As for the points, we're going to open a sketch section over here. Open it on this surface, on this ring surface over here. Press OK. And we're just going to put a point to represent the hole, okay? So we're going to put a point on the horizontal line Now we just need to tell it how far away it is from this line over here. Okay, so the distance between this point and this line is going to be half of 20, so 10 mil. And there you have it, finish. And there's a hole. Okay. We can do a until next as well. So just until it reaches the next surface. Or you can do, so depth limit, you can select a value. So you can select that it's cutting by 6 mil maybe. 6 mil? Yeah, 6 mil is fine, yeah. Press OK. And now we need to linear pattern this. So we have to copy this pattern, copy this hole across the body. So pattern feature, circular. When tell it to copy this circle, now we need to specify a vector. So this is the center line, okay? So it's the line that's pointing vertically, okay? So this line right here, and we need to specify a rotation point, and that will be the center of the circle here, like so. And now it's showing us 4 instances of holes. Anything else needed? Well, we'll have to specify that the count over here is 4, so we're going to have 4 holes. And we need to specify that the angle between them is 90 degrees. And that's it. Press OK. These are our clearance holes. And the final step is to apply a fillet. It's going to be an edge blend over here, 0.5. And the edge that we're going to pick is this top edge over here. Press OK. And that's it. Let's hide our sketch over here so it looks neater. In the next set of videos, we're going to go over being able to read an engineering drawing. So for now, you just had the engineering drawing in your site. Some of you might have started guessing where I'm getting some of these numbers from. So you're able to start reading some of the things that I've been saying as well with me. But in the next video, we'll formally go over how to read it. Okay, thank you.